the laundry room. It's gonna be nice and cool in this room. Yep. And I'll probably get myself some new blinds. Hang some blinds up in here. Some metal art maybe. Have Becca paint laundry. Some pretty colors. Like she's doing out here. This is just the start of it. She's gonna add more colors and outline. And she's gonna put a hibiscus on this side. It's gonna be really pretty when she's done. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
I need a damper.
And we're also going to put the cable up through the attic and behind the TV. So we're not going to have no wires hanging down here, hopefully, when we're done. And he's putting the air vent. He's got to connect the air vent. And this will go back on the wall. In the wall. Somehow. And this room will look nice and clean. Now I just need some pretty furniture and a TV. Oh, so many options. So many options. Village golf cart ride. Father's Day in editing. Venus, I like this dress. It's coming along, Levi. We don't have all that big messy cable all around. And then the Roomba won't get stuck anymore on the cable. Alright, TV's all hooked up and there's no wires hanging down. Although all that looks like crap, but it's going to be hidden. Alright, so the sound bar, Should have been mounted under the TV. And the plug ran down through the back. But it's okay, because we got this thing too. Look at this yard, it looks nice. Levi loves it. Got the pet door. He goes in and out of it very well. I don't think I filmed it yet. Levi, come here. Come in. Here. What are you getting, your ball? You got your ball? Look at that little puppy dog. Yes. Let me have that ball. Come here. All right. You're a good dog. Let me see it. All right, let's go outside. All right, here you go. Get it. Had a campfire last night. Had some marshmallows roasting. Rebecca's kids. Nice here. It's a nice place. Come on. You stinker. You little stinker. Walk in here. Goes from 91 degrees out there to 72 inside. And we got this all set up, so we have no wires hanging down anymore. You don't see that when you sit back here. All right, so sit back here. And all that stuff back behind the photos is back behind the photos.
Mostly during capture. But Ukraine has opened its POW camp to international.
It's nice, isn't it, Levi?
Russia hides.
Everything's nice.
Irina Stoney says that she was moved among 4 Russian prisons and tortured with electricity. They would rape some men. When we were in Tahanro prison, there was a cell for men and a cell for women.
Ooh, there's some heat. Man, he's stirring up some dust. Got a new flag? That bug's still on it. A big old beetle on there. See it? You can see it. Alright, close that back up. It's hot out there. And let's go back in. Finish making the YouTube video. Father's Day golf carting in the villages.
And they would move the baby repeatedly from one orphanage to another, so I could never find my child.
Alright, so we're still doing some work. I'm making some stuffed peppers. We got them ready. Got the sauce ready. And the rice is cooking. And then I can put that in there. Got this thing preheating. Pause that, I guess, for right now. I've got my little instructions right here. Got to get the cheese on top. All that's working. That's good. That's good. All right. Tips for easy fryer. Yeah, I'm using the air fryer. All right, so all that's cooking. I'm gonna go check on here. We've been bagging up leaves and dirt mostly. And that beetle's still on there. Woo! get rid of all the bugs. See that beetle? Oh my goodness. He likes the plastic. Oh, yeah. Cleaning up. Cleaning up the yard. Ooh, it's dusty out here. Let me back in. It's dirty out there. All right. Love it in here. Love this place. Love this place, Levi. It's so nice. Yeah, this is gonna be real nice when this is done. So hopefully we hear from someone tomorrow. Come back and give us a new bid on this whole full shower, because we just don't want to do it. We'd rather have someone else do it. But he did run the duct to the laundry room. So now, so you see in here. Boy, you can feel it when you walk in here from out there. So here's the vent. There's a box with the boot. Got to finish this scuttle hole here. Push that up in the ceiling. Get it finished painting, all that crap, and drywall. It's turning out pretty darn nice. Hi, Levi. Just have to remember to keep the door closed so we don't let all that air out. And we got to get a sweeper for underneath. Close that gap. But we did also replace this piece here. It was all tore up from the mother dogs. But this whole thing is nice now. Clothes is good. All that's new. I know this got painted. I know there's some latex remover. And I can clean that up and make it look nice again. Alright, so that's the update.
Who are we welcoming here? She said, you'd eat bell peppers.
So I need a handle on here and a top for this still. And we got these for the window for there. We put them in here already. And we got this because it doesn't work very good. It's been sprayed and sprayed and up and down and up and down. So it'll get better. Maybe. So I'm gonna put that up, take all this out to the van. And now we're programming this antenna so we can have live TV out here. So if live TV works on that thing, then I'll cancel the YouTube live TV for $80-something a month. Because that was $130 one time. You went to the 4,000s. You guys start at 115 and go up like 200, 300.
Okay.
Got the Magnolia Network on here. I love that. And then we just got a paint in here. Trims in. cabinets are in. We need our handles put on, which are here. And coffee cups will go here. And stuff you don't even think you need it go in there. Same on that side. I got a wall clock coming tomorrow. It's gonna have a clock and coffee on it. And we're gonna put a board up there and be able to put knick-knack stuff on there. Not too much, but just some nice things like that. We'll see, whatever. Anyway, got a stew cooking. Ooh, some steak he made last night that Bubba gave us. Hope I didn't fog that up. How you doing, Levi? Got some peppers off the vine. These are hot. Got some cherries from the store today. The little garden's doing okay. Those things are new. They're so tiny. I like it. Wacky Sun's still up. Brought our motorcycle riding pillows over. That's probably the last time. No, I don't think it was the last time. But this was 2018. I like that these pillows, I got that on the back of them. That's when I got my new bike. It's gone now. We got better things now. House. Custom made to fit what we want it to look like. Little doggy. Last update to the first video. So we got the antenna hooked up. Got everything mounted up there, head out here. And got the cabinets up. Got the handles on. And got this thing patched up now. Now it needs to be mudded and painted. And I'm still needing a board or cover for this.